And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you an erasure transition. We put both of our clips in the same timeline. We go to transitions and then open a dropdown. And it seems like in a new version they have once again updated it and rearranged it. I always hate that when they do it, especially when I'm midway creating a course or a tutorial. But in this case we can now find the erasure in the mask category. When you see a download icon, click on it and then you should see a plus sign. You can then drag and drop it onto your footage. Might get a warning message, just confirm it. And I think the default is way too fast. So I want to reselect that with the left click in the timeline and then crank it up fully. 1.4 is currently the max. As I've said, they've rearranged their transitions, got rid of some categories, added new ones. When that happens, try to use the search function. So when you watch this in the future and there is no mask category anymore, just type in erasure. And luckily this time it was able to find it. Let's try erase. I have to add the E, and I could also find it. So whenever you watch one of my tutorials and they have rearranged the categories in the meantime, try out the search function, and with a little bit of luck you will find the transitions and effects. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.